What is the economic system in the United States? Capitalist economy, market economy. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. Basically, economic systems are about money and business. Let's start with an example. Let's think about what market economy means. This is a market. What is a market? A market is a place where people and businesses sell things like food, clothes, and other products. A market is a place where people buy things. People come to sell and people come to buy. When you think about the economic system of the United States, remember the market. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. Market economy. Market economy. When we ask about economic systems, we want to know who makes products, private businesses or the government. For example, does the government own factories and farms, or do private businesses? Does the government provide services like healthcare and public education? Or do people pay private businesses when they go to a doctor or go to school? Usually, there is a combination of both private services that you pay for when you need them, and public services that you pay for with tax money. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. In a market economy, businesses are free to make and sell their products. In a market economy, people are free to choose what they want to buy. Many countries have an economic system like the market economy in the United States. Where are you from? Can anyone start a business where you are from? Is it easy to start a business where you are from? What about in the United States? Do you know someone who has started a business in the United States? Was it easy or difficult? What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. Let's look at another example. 96% of people in the United States have a cell phone. 81% of people in the United States have a smartphone. What kind of cell phone do you have? Samsung, Apple iPhone, Google Pixel, something else? Why did you choose your cell phone? Price? Quality? In a market economy, a cell phone business, for example, decides the price for each cell phone and how many cell phones to make. What happens if a company makes too many phones and people don't buy them? If Apple makes too many phones and people don't buy them, Apple loses money and people lose their jobs. This is a market economy. The economy can be good or the economy can be bad. When the economy is good, people have jobs and can spend money to buy new things. When the economy is bad, more people are not working and cannot spend money. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. What is a market economy? Think of a supermarket. You walk down an aisle. You see so many different kinds of cereal. Why do Americans need so many kinds of cereal? Americans seem to love options and choices, and the United States has a market economy. If people will buy it, then a business will make it. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. We looked at some examples. Now let's practice reading. We see similar words in the question and the answer. Economic, economy. These words are similar in other languages too, like Spanish, French, and Russian. In English, economic. In Spanish,
económico,
in French,
Economic.
in Russian.
Экономический.
How many syllables? Economic, 4. Economy, also 4. Economic has 4 syllables and economy has 4 syllables. These words have the same number of syllables, but they have different emphasis. When we talk about words with more than 1 syllable, we have to talk about emphasis. Economic, economy. In English, emphasis is very important for words with more than 1 syllable. If the emphasis is in the wrong place, we don't understand the word. For example, we don't say capital. What is that word? No, it's capital. The emphasis is on the first syllable, capital. We don't say economic, we say economic. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. Why is the economy bad right now? With the shutdowns and quarantines, many businesses, like restaurants, had to close. Many people lost their jobs. What can the government do? In the United States, the economy depends more on businesses than the government. In 2020 and 2021, Congress passed laws to give people more money. Stimulus checks from the IRS. The sooner we can control this pandemic by wearing masks and getting our vaccines, the sooner we can go back to normal and open businesses again. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. Stay safe.